This is Lesson 6 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. This lesson is about diodes. A diode is used extensively in electronic circuits. Generally, the larger the diode, the more power it can handle. Diodes come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. Diodes are used in radios, TVs, cell phones, computers, communication systems, and so forth. A picture of a diode is shown at the bottom right hand of the page. This one has a band around one end. The end with the band is called the cathode, or negative side. The unmarked end is the anode, or positive side. On page 6, you see that the Mr. Circuit robot is pointing one way with its thumb. It is not hitchhiking. The artist is depicting the fact that a diode allows current to flow easily through it in one direction only. Electric current in a diode enters through the cathode side and comes out the anode side. What does a diode do in an electronic circuit? At the bottom of page 6, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, a diode allows electron current to flow in one direction only. At the middle of the bottom of the page, you will see a typical schematic symbol that is used by engineers and technicians to represent a diode. How would you describe the symbol? An arrow pointing toward the cathode end with a vertical line across the point of the arrow. Please copy this diode symbol into the box on the lower right-hand corner of the page. Here are some important things that you have been taught in this lesson. 1. What a diode does in a circuit. 2. What the schematic symbol is for a diode. And 3. How to spell and pronounce the word diode. Now finish this lesson by coloring in the Mr. Circuit robot. Remember, when you complete all 30 lessons, you will receive a certificate of completion.